keep going. We're almost there.
Meet the solution, the TYPHON VIGOR 3.0 electric forklift. You'll to fix all of it. This isn't just a forklift, it's faster operations, lower costs, and more work done every single day. From warehouses to construction sites, this machine handles it all. Standard forklifts struggle in low clearance spaces. VIGOR 3.0 features a 1,400 mm free lift plus 3-stage lifting height of 1,600 mm, 3,000 mm, and 4,500 mm. You can lift and stack without extending the mast early, perfect for warehouses, containers, indoor operations. Precision where it matters. The VIGOR 3 mast tilt 12° forward, 15° backward ensures safer load handling, better stability, and smoother stacking every time. Underpowered forklifts slow your entire operation. VIGOR 3 provides massive 3-ton 600 pounds lifting capacity, handling move heavier loads, fewer trips, and higher productivity. Powered by a 60 volts to 150 Ah battery, 10 hours runtime, 6-hour charging time, full workday operation. Plug into standard 110 volts and no fuel costs. Move smarter in tight spaces. Lateral movement capability allows precise side-to-side positioning, making pallet alignment faster and warehouse navigation effortless. No emissions, no noise pollution. Perfect for indoor warehouses, better working environment. Stability you can trust. A 1,950 mm wheelbase keeps every load balanced. Hydraulic steering gives you total control, and solid rubber tires keep you moving, no matter the surface. With a minimum turning radius of 2,530 mm, the VIGOR 3.0 navigates tight warehouse aisles with ease. Its compact body, 2,775 mm length and 1,200 mm width, ensures smooth operation, even in confined spaces. Built for tight aisles, the compact frame allows quick, smooth movement without constant repositioning.